I'm really hopeful now with COVID in the rearview mirror and the return of travel at a broad level, bigger than pre-COVID, that the travel industry and seamless borders and immigration will once again pick up, and look forward to how to improve the traveler journey, how to get people who are low risk through borders faster. And we've kind of lost that momentum from pre-COVID, and I'd love to see that get picked up again in the next year.
New changes in the legislation around privacy that, people should be able to build a greater trust in the technology. And then for us as an industry, it's about expanding the utility of biometric and how do we start to, shift the focus of the technology away from technology and around how it changes people's lives and how it can improve, reduce risk, and improve people's privacy protection. So I think there's so much scope for us as an industry to be able to expand, the utility of biometrics beyond the traditional safeguards around border control and forensic use, which is the mainstay for people and how they perceive biometric. I think there's got a lot more to offer, and I'm excited to see where that goes.
I'd like to see in the next 12 months that some of the hype cycle and excitement and just media reaction and buzz around artificial intelligence becomes a little bit more considered. Artificial intelligence wasn't invented with ChatGPT in February 2024. It's been researched heavily for 70 years by various people around neural networks, mathematics, and those kinds of concepts. And it's a broad discipline. It covers everything from sentient robot intelligence through to maybe it's just an avocado in your fridge.
Hope that the industry continues to enjoy the momentum that's been building. There's been a lot of regulatory progress. There's been a lot of standards writing progress. And so as the utilization of biometrics expands into different verticals, I think it will become ubiquitous with society and will have a life of its own.
I've been involved in artificial intelligence for a number of years. Last year or so, it's been really hyped. So my expectation for the next year is the hype will go down and we'll go back to the world of more practical uses of AI, particularly usage within the biometric sector.
Digital ID is definitely a major trend today. People wanted to carry a legal proof of identity in their smartphone. And for that, biometrics does come out to allow a secure provisioning of the identity and also authentication to allow a wide access so they can private services.
I believe the best is yet to come, you see, for us to embrace. As a member of the Biometrics Institute, this is where we actually gather to talk about the appropriate use cases and how do we embrace the use of AI. And what sort of framework we need to adhere to ensure that we are delivering a system or a policy or technology that adheres to these compliance.
The hope is that we continue as a sort of an industry to collaborate and work to build solutions that really make sense for consumers and businesses so that we can actually see the benefits of biometrics emerge, not just the sort of privacy and usability concerns. So I hope we get even better.
Of course, we'd like to see more responsible use of biometric technology, but I also would like to see more inclusion of other regions that would participate in our community and learn about the responsible use of biometrics and learn from this incredible community that has brought together so much experience over time and benefit really from understanding where the strengths and weaknesses are in the technology and how it can truly make a difference if you introduce it responsibly.